Chill itinerary at naghahanap ng mapapasyalan na ma-enjoy ng family and kids? Well, try mong pumasyal sa Tamsoy, 45 minutes lang from Ximending. Tamsoy is a district located in northern Taiwan that is popular for its scenic riverside location. Ganito lang kadali pumunta. From Ximen, nag-MRT kami papuntang Taipei Main, then we transferred to Red Line papuntang Tamsoy. This is the last stop sa Red Line. Pagkababa ng train, you will be welcomed with a chill vibe, and na-notice ko na family mostly ang nagpupunta dito. We went here at around 11 a.m. Una, naglakad-lakad muna kami along Tamsoy Old Street, then along the Riverside Promenade. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch, so kumain muna kami sa seafood restaurant na to. At lahat ng order namin panalo, ang sarap. We ordered grilled shrimp, mackerel. After mag-lunch, naglakad-lakad ulit kami along Riverside Promenade until we reached the ferry station going to Bali Wharf or Tamsoy Fisherman's Wharf. You can tap your EZ card at 5 NTD lang ang pamasahe. Overall, nag-enjoy talaga kami, especially yung parents and kids ko after spending our afternoon sa Tamsoy. Ang mga activities na pwede nyong gawin is mag-rent ng bike, you can ride a ferry, mag-food trip, at mag-relax along Riverside Promenade.